In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to manage your Opportunities tab and how everything in it works. So first things first, click on Opportunities over here on the left-hand side. This is where all of your new leads that are filling out forms or making a phone call will be put. So this is a new lead, Elon Musk right here under the opt-in category. You're going to be able to come here and see who your new leads are, and then from here you can either click on their name, and that takes you back into the sort of conversations tab that we went over in another video, where you can send text messages or emails and keep track of all the points of contact that you've had with this person. We also have general info, additional info, all sorts of things, all pertaining to this lead. So if we go back, the next cool thing in the Opportunities tab is the ability to click and drag and move these to each different column. The goal is to obviously move this person down the pipeline from opt-in to appointment set, and then finally when you convert that lead, you bring them down here into the won category. And if you don't, bring them to the lost category. And if they are 100% never want to talk to you or hear from you ever again, that's when you put them in abandoned. So that's the basic gist of how it works. Let's talk about all these tabs up at the top. So select date and time lets you organize your leads in the pipeline by a date. So you can go all time from this week, the past 7 days, the last month. You can kind of organize your leads to see how you're doing and how you're converting. This is just a filter, ascending or descending based on the date they're added. This drop down is the different pipelines. So most of the time you'll have one pipeline, but if you do have two different offers or services that you're offering, you might have two different pipelines. Owner is just keep that at all. Campaign, same thing. You don't really need to mess with that. And the last one, this is where some people get confused because it defaults to open. But if you want to see all of the leads you've gotten, no matter what you've marked them, then you go to all, and that shows up all of your leads, no matter if you've marked them won or lost. So that is the basic overview of how the Opportunities tab works. You'll be in this tab almost as much as you'll be in the Conversations tab, so it's another one that you really need to get the hang of and learn.